Good afternoon. I'm Tristan McKinnon from ABN Newswire with the Australian Market Report for March 24th. US shares soared overnight and the Dow index rose nearly 6.7% after the US Treasury announced a $1 trillion rescue plan to clean up toxic assets in the financial system. The market was also cheering a report showing a surprising increase in existing home sales in February. Yesterday, the Australian shares surged on hopes of the US bailout plan to remove bad debts from banks. The benchmark S&P/ASX 200 index ended 2.4% higher, or 84.5 points at 3,550.3, a 6-week high, while the broader All Ordinaries index was up 2.3%, or 78.1 points at 3,483.1. Investors are getting more confident to return to the stock markets as they believe it has hit the bottom, but analysts warned that the fundamental issues in the economy have not been solved and it will not be a long-term rally, although the market is in its third week of rises. For today's key economic facts and figures, Treasury Wayne Swan says the budget plan to be unveiled in May will aim to maintain demand, support jobs, provide secure, sustainable retirement incomes and lay the building blocks of the post-crisis economy through infrastructure and education. He also commented that the global recession is expected to be worse than published in the last official forecast. Moving on to mergers and acquisitions, BG Group said it had won majority control of its takeover target for Pure Energy Resources, upping its stake to 70%. The UK oil and gas major also extended the offer period to April 6th. Oz Minerals confirmed that the Foreign Investment Review Board has extended the time to scrutinise a proposed 2.6 billion Australian takeover by China Minmetals. The Foreign Investment Review Board will also take another 90 days from today to consider the deal. Now for important corporate news. Qantas will restructure its management team and slash a third of its senior executives to save Australian $24 million a year as the company has been hit by fuel costs and falling demand. While Virgin Blue said it has signed an agreement with the US domestic carrier Delta Airlines to take passengers from each other's networks. The deal will solve a major problem for Virgin International Airline v Australia. Regional bank Bendigo and Adelaide Bank yesterday retail banking boss Mike Hurst to replace long-term serving Chief Executive Rob Hunt. Oroton Group Limited reported a net profit of 12.5 Australian million for the half year to January 24th to 2008, up 20.4% compared with the prior corresponding half. Albadon said negotiations with China's Jinchuan Group were well advanced, but warned it could go into voluntary administration if it doesn't finalise funding talks with Jinchuan. And that's all we have today for this Asia Business News Australian Market Report for March 24th. My name is Tristan McKinnon. Thanks for watching.